We had completed till question number 1699. In this video, we will cover from question number 1700. Let's begin.
Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend UN Ocean Conference 2022? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1701. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address UN General Assembly in Hindi? 1977. A. Vajpayee. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Nehru. D. Modi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1702. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address UN Sustainable Development Summit 2015? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question 1703. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend Paris Climate Accord signing 2016? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question 1704. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend COP26 Glasgow Summit 2021? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question 1705. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit UN headquarters and unveil Gandhi statue 2019? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1706. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend World Economic Forum at Davos after 20 years 2018? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question 1707. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to meet Pope Francis 2021? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1708. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Vatican 1918? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Vajpayee. D. Modi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question 1709. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Israel officially 2017? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Nehru. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 17 again. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Palestine independently 2018? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Nehru. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1711. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to sign fatal nuclear deal with France 2008? A. Manmohan Singh. B. Modi. C. Vajpayee. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1712. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to sign Indo-US nuclear agreement 2008? A. Manmohan Singh. B. Modi. C. Vajpayee. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1713. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Afghanistan after 12 years 2005? A. Manmohan Singh. B. Modi. C. Vajpayee. D. Nehru. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1714. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to address Afghan Parliament 2015? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1715. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Iran after 15 years 2016? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1716. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to sign Chabahar Port Agreement 2016? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question 1717. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Saudi Arabia after 30 years 2016? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question 1718. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to receive Saudi Arabia's highest civilian award 2016? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi, Andhra Pradesh, Modi. Question 1719. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit UAE after 34 years, 2015? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Indira Gandhi D. Rajiv Gandhi, Andhra Pradesh, Modi. Question 1720. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to inaugurate Hindu temple in Abu Dhabi 2024? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1721. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Qatar 2008? A. Manmohan Singh D. Modi C. Vajpayee D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1722. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Bahrain 2019? A. Modi B. Vajpayee B. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1723. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Oman 2018? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1724. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Kuwait officially? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Indira Gandhi D. None. Answer D. None. Question 1725. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Maldives 1981? A. Indira Gandhi B. Modi C. Rajiv Gandhi D. Vajpayee. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question 1726. Question 1726. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend SARC Summit 1985? A. Rajiv Gandhi B. Indira Gandhi C. Vajpayee D. Modi. Answer C. Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 1727. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend NAM Summit 1961? A. Nehru B. Indira Gandhi C. Rajiv Gandhi D. Vajpayee A. Answer C. Nehru. Question 1728. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend G7 Outreach Summit 2005? A. Manmohan Singh B. Modi C. Vajpayee D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1729. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend G20 Summit 2008? A. Manmohan Singh B. Modi C. Vajpayee D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1730. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to hold G20 Summit in India 2023? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Nehru. Answer C. Modi. Question 1731. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend IDSA Summit 2006? A. Manmohan Singh D. Modi C. Vajpayee D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question 1732. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend SCO Summit as full number 2017? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1733. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend Quad Virtual Summit 2021? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1734. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend East Asia Summit 2005? A. Manmohan Singh D. Modi C. Vajpayee D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Manmohan Singh. Question number 1735. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend ASEM Summit 2000? A. Vajpayee D. Modi C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1736. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend CHOGM 1983? A. Indira Gandhi B. Rajiv Gandhi C. Vajpayee D. Modi. Answer C. Indira Gandhi. Question 1737. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend WTO Doha Round 2001? A. Vajpayee B. Modi C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1738. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend UNFCCC COP New Delhi 2002? A. Vajpayee B. Modi C. Manmohan Singh D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1739. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend WHA World Health Assembly Address 2020? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1740. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend UNESCO Paris Summit 2017? A. Modi B. Vajpayee C. Manmohan Singh D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1741. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend World Solar Alliance Founding Summit 2018? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2003? A. Vajpayee. B. Modi. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1743. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस 2003? A. Vajpayee. B. Modi. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1744. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend UN Ocean Conference 2022? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1745. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend UN Biodiversity Summit 2020? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1746. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend G77 Summit Havana 2000? Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1747. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend MEM Summit Durban 1998? A. Vajpayee. B. Modi. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Vajpayee. Question number 1748. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend SCO Qingdao Summit 2018? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 1749. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend UN Food System Summit 2021? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. 1750. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend Democracy Summit USA 2021? A. Modi. B. Vajpayee. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer C. Modi. Question number 7601. Who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. D. Bindusara. Answer is B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 1762. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta 1. C. Sri Gupta. D. Skandagupta. Answer C. Sri Gupta. Question number 7603. Who was the founder of the Maurya Mughal Empire in India? A. Humayun. B. Akbar. C. Babur. D. Taimur. Answer C. Babur. Question number 17604. Who was the last ruler of Maurya dynasty? A. Ashoka. B. Brihadrata. C. Bindusara. D. Dashatha. Answer D. Brihadrata. Question number 17605. Who was the most famous king of the Gupta dynasty? A. Chandragupta 1. B. Samudragupta. C. Skandagupta. D. Ramagupta. Answer C. Samudragupta. Question number 7606. Who was the greatest ruler of Maurya dynasty? A. Ashoka. B. Bindusara. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Dashratha. Answer C. Ashoka. Question number 7607. The Battle of Plassey 1757 was fought between A. British and French. B. British and Mughals. C. British and Siraj-ud-Dowla. D. Marathas and Mughals. C. British and Siraj-ud-Dowla. Answer C. British and Siraj-ud-Dowla. Question number 7608. The Battle of Buxar 1764 was fought between British and A. Mir Jafar. B. Mir Qasim. C. Shah Alam II and Shuja-ud-Dowla. D. All of these. Answer C. All of these. Question number 7609. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? A. Bahadur Shah II. B. Aurangzeb. C. Shah Alam II. D. Akbar II. Answer C. Bahadur Shah II Zafar. Question number 7610. In which year did Battle of Panipat first take place? A. 1426. B. 1556. C. 1761. D. 1707. Answer is A. 1526. Answer is A. 1526. Question number 7611. Who fought the Battle of Panipat first? A. Akbar and Himu. B. Babur and Ibrahim Lori. C. Marathas and Afghans. D. Humayun and Sher Shah. Answer B. Babur and Ibrahim Lori. Question number 7612. In which year did Battle of Panipat second take place? A. 1526. B. 1556. C. 1761. D. 1707. Answer B. 1556. Question number 7613. The Battle of Panipat second was fought between A. Babur and Lori. B. Akbar and Himu. C. Marathas and Afghans. D. Sher Shah and Humayun. Answer B. Akbar and Himu. Question 7614. In which year did Battle of Panipat third take place? A. 1526. B. 1556. C. 1761. D. 1707. Answer C. 1761. Question 7615. Who fought the Battle of Panipat third? A. Marathas and Afghans. Ahmad Shah Abdali. B. Akbar and Himu. C. Babur and Lori. Answer D. D. Aurangzeb and Marathas. Answer A. Marathas and Afghans. Question number 7616. Who was the first Delhi Sultanate? A. Qutbuddin Aibak. B. Iltutmish. C. Balban. D. Aladdin Khilji. Answer A. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 7617. Who built the Qutub Minar? A. Aladdin Khilji. B. Qutbuddin Aibak. C. Iltutmish. D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Answer B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Started completed by Iltutmish. Question 7618. Who was known as the Napoleon of India? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Ashoka. C. Samudragupta. D. Harshvardhana. Answer C. Samudragupta. Question number 76 16 76 19. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? A. Ibrahim Lodi. B. Sikandar Lodi. C. Bahadur Shah. D. Humayun. Answer C. Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 76 20. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty in Delhi? A. Balban. B. Iltutmish. C. Qutbuddin Aibak. D. Razia Sultan. Answer C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 76 21. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? A. Lord Dalhousie. D. Lord Canning. C. Lord Wellesley. E. Lord Curzon. Answer is B. Lord Canning. Question number 76 22. Who was the leader of 1857 revolt in Kanpur? A. Rani Lakshmibai. B. Tantia Tope. C. Nana Sahib. D. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Answer C. Nana Sahib. Question 76-23. Who led the 1857 revolt in Jhansi? A. Rani Lakshmibai. B. Nana Sahib. C. Kunwar Singh. D. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Answer is A. Rani Lakshmibai. Question 76-24. Who was the leader of 1857 revolt in Awadh, Lucknow? A. Nana Sahib. B. Kunwar Singh. C. Begum Hazrat Mahal. D. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Answer C. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Question 76-25. Who was the last Mughal emperor involved in 1857 revolt? A. Aurangzeb. B. Bahadur Shah II. C. Shah Alam II. D. Akbar II. Answer is B. Bahadur Shah II. Question 76-26. Who led the 1857 revolt in Bihar? A. Nana Sahib. B. Kunwar Singh. C. Tantia Tope. Ahmadullah Shah. Answer C. Kunwar Singh. Question 76-27. Who was the British commander who suppressed revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? A. Henry Lawrence. B. Hugh Brewer. C. Colin Campbell. D. Havelock. D. Answer D. Havelock. Question number 76-28. Who led the 1857 revolt in Bareilly? A. Khan Bahadur Khan. B. Begum Hazrat Mahal. C. Nana Sahib. D. Tantia Tope. Answer A. Khan Bahadur Khan. Question 76-29. Who was the first martyr of 1857 revolt? A. Mangal Pandey. B. Rani Lakshmibai. C. Bahadur Shah Zafar. D. Tantia Tope. Answer Mangal Pandey. Question 76-30. In which year did the revolt of 1857 take place? A. 1848. B. 1846. C. 1857. D. 1858. Answer C. 1857. The revolt of 1857 is called A. First Indian War of Independence. B. Sepoy Mutiny. C. Great Revolt. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. Question 76-33. Who was the British officer killed by Mangal Pandey? A. General Havelock. General Havelock. B. Colonel Wheeler. C. L.G. Bagh. D. Colin Campbell. Answer C. L.G. Bagh. Question 76-34. Who was the Governor General of India during 1856? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Dalhousie. Lord Wellesley. D. Lord Ripon. Lord Dalhousie. Answer B. Lord Dalhousie. Question 76-35. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Dalhousie. D. Lord Ripon. Answer C. Lord Dalhousie. Question 76-36. Which state was not annexed under doctrine of lapse? A. Satara. B. Jhansi. C. Awadh. D. Nagpur. Answer C. Awadh. Annexed on misrule. Question 76-37. Who led the 1857 revolt in Delhi? A. Rani Lakshmibai. B. Bahadur Shah. 2. C. Nana Sahib. D. Tantia Tope. Answer is B. Bahadur Shah 2. Question 76-38. Question 76-38. Who wrote the book The History of Indian Mutiny of 1857? A. S.N. Sen. B. V.D. Savarkar. C. R.C. Majumdar. D. John Kyle. D. John K. Answer D. John K. Question 76-39. Who wrote the first War of Independence 1857? A. John K. B. R.C. Majumdar. C. V.D. Savarkar. D. S.N. Sen. Answer C. V.D. Savarkar. Question number 76-40. Who wrote Revolt of 1857? A. S.N. Sen. B. John K. C. V.D. Savarkar. D. Karl Marx. Answer A. S.N. Sen. Question number 76-41. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Dalhousie. Naroji. B. G.K. Gokhale. C. D.E. Gaucha. D. Surendranath Banerjee. Answer C. A. Dadabhai Naroji. Question 76-42. Dadabhai Naroji is famous for his story of the Nobel, B. Permanent settlement, C. Surplus value, D. Fabianism. A. Answer A. Drain of Question 76-43. Who was the first Indian to be elected to British Parliament? A. Badruddin Tayab. B. Dadabhai Naroji. C. G.K. Gokhale. D. M.P. Ranade. Answer is B. Dadabhai Naroji. Question 76-44. Who founded the Indian National Congress (INC) in 1885? A. A.O. Hume. B. Dadabhai Naroji. C. G.K. Gokhale. D. W.C. Banerjee. Answer A. A.O. Hume. Question 76-45. Who was the first president of INC? A. A.O. Hume. B. Dadabhai Naroji. C. W.C. Banerjee. T. Surendranath Banerjee. Answer C. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 7646. Who presided over the 1907 Surat session of INC split? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Rash Bihari Ghosh. C. Dada Banarjee. D. Tilak. Answer is B. Rash Bihari Ghosh. Question number 7647. The Surat split 1907 occurred between A. Gandhiji and Tilak. B. Moderates and extremists. C. Hindus and Muslims. D. None. Answer is B. Moderates and extremists. Question number 7648. Who said Swaraj is my birthday and I shall have it? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. B.G. Tilak. D. C.K. Gokhale. Answer C. B.G. Tilak. Question number 7649. Who was known as the political guru of Gandhi? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Dada Banarjee. C. Tilak. D. Ranade. Answer is A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 7650. Who was called Lokmanya? A. Tilak. B. Gandhi. C. Gokhale. D. Ranade. Answer is A. Tilak. Question 7651. Which newspaper was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? A. The Hindu. B. Kesari and Maratha. C. Young India. D. Indian Mirror. Answer is B. Kesari and Marathas. Question 7652. Who founded the Servants of India Society 1905? A. Tilak. B. Ranade. C. G.K. Gokhale. D. Dada Banarjee. Answer C. G.K. Gokhale. Question 7653. Who is called the Indian Burke? A. Tilak. B. G.K. Gokhale. C. Surendranath Banerjee. D. Ranade. Answer C. Surendranath Banerjee. Question 7654. The newspaper Indian Mirror was founded by A. Surendranath Banerjee. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Tilak. D. Dada Banarjee. Answer C. Surendranath Banerjee. Question 7655. Who was the president of INC in 1906? Calcutta session Swaraj. A. Dada Banarjee. B. Tilak. C. Gokhale. D. Surendranath Banerjee. Answer C. Answer C. Dada Banarjee. Question 7656. Who was known as the Socrates of Maharashtra? A. Tilak. B. Ranade. C. Gokhale. D. Phule. Answer B. Ranade. Question 7657. Who was known as the Lion of Punjab? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Tilak. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Bipin Chandra Pal. Answer C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question 7658. Who were known as the Lal Bal Pal Trio? A. Gandhi, Nehru, Patel. B. Lajpat Rai, Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. C. Tilak, Bose, Patel. D. None. Answer B. Lajpat Rai, Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. Question 7649. Who was founder of Bombay Presidency Association 1885? A. Tilak. B. Gokhale. C. Badruddin Tyabji. D. Dada Banarjee. Answer C. Dada Banarjee. Question 7660. Who is called the Prince of Patriots? A. Tilak. B. Lala Lajpat Rai. C. Bipin Chandra Pal. D. Dada Banarjee. Answer C. Bipin Chandra Pal. Question 7661. The partition of Bengal was carried out in A. 1903. B. 1905. C. 1907. D. 1911. Answer B. 1905. Question 7662. Who was the Viceroy of India during partition of Bengal? 1905. A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Minto. C. Lord Hardinge. D. Lord Ripon. Answer C. Lord Curzon. Question 7663. The partition of Bengal 1905 divided Bengal into A. East Bengal and West Bengal. B. North Bengal and South Bengal. C. Bengal and Bihar. D. Bengal and Orissa. Answer A. East Bengal and West Bengal. Question 7664. Which movement began in protest against the partition of Bengal? A. Civil disobedience. B. Swadeshi movement. C. Quit India. D. Non-cooperation. Answer B. Swadeshi movement. Question 7665. So that the Swadeshi movement was launched in A. 1903. B. 1905. C. 1907. D. 1919. Answer B. 1905.